So let's talk about sponsored search or Google AdWords, as they are the biggest ones. The same as with the algorithmic search is that it's consumer-initiated search. The people we are advertising to are actually looking for a wallet actively. And when we then present them our advertisement, then they're actually glad that they found an advertisement for a wallet as they're looking for a wallet. So why not click on it? The other thing is that it's really good for us to calculate the cost for this advertisement as we're paying on a per click basis. So we can say per customer we have that kind of costs per click, and then we get the customer and we sell them the wallet, so we can easily calculate this cost into our product. The negative side effect is that not all the customers who click on our site will buy our product. So if we have a low conversion rate on our site, it can become really pricey. And also it is very hard to determine the most effective keywords. What are our customers actually looking for, and how are they describing that they want to buy a wallet?